What's up? Welcome back to the channel. So anyone that has subscribed recently for the polo content might see this and go, what the hell is that? Well, that is white gold. It's my 1991 Honda Accord Lowrider. We've done a lot of work on the channel on this car in the last couple of years. There's a couple of playlists from the restoration series, there's the airlift install series, all that stuff. I'll put it all in the description there down below for you if you want to check that out. But the reason we're looking at it today is because I've done something that I've been thinking about for a long time, which was engraving the quarter windows. So in the interest of being transparent with you, I actually forgot to film an introduction for this one. I just kind of, last night I thought, I'll just kind of prep it and I might do it on Monday, and then thought, fuck it, we'll just give it a little try, and I went from there. So I didn't actually film an introduction to this episode at all, and obviously the job is finished. So what I'm going to do now is we'll pass you on to Tony from the past, and we'll have a look at what he did, a bit of music, a bit of voiceover, and we'll be back then.
Take it out.
out, but play 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 out. No, I got the flow that'll never play out, but 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 play out. I'm not done yet. No, I got the flow that'll never play out, but 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 play out. No, I got the flow that'll never play out, but play out.
If you lack the will to step up, then please chill, please chill, please chill, please chill, please.
And there you have it, 2 engraved quarter glass windows, quarter windows, whatever you call them. I think it looked really, really cool. It was just to give the car something extra. Just, you know, a little bit of like wow factor, I guess. And I think it definitely achieved that. And like I said, I've been thinking about doing it for a long, long time. And the funny thing is now that I've done that, I'm like, I know I could do, you know, something in the corner of the back window, or I could do like the sunroof glass or something, but realistically I don't think I will. I think that's probably enough for now. But yeah, thanks for watching. And I know it's not the most information heavy video in the world. If you were hoping to actually learn how to do it, sorry I couldn't really help you, but if you do have questions, by all means slap them down in the comments there and I'll do my best to help you out if I can. So yeah, like I always say, thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram, and hopefully pretty soon we're going to be back with some more Honda content, back to my roots and the roots of the channel. So for now, we'll see you next time.